Good morning, everybody. I'm Sureka. How is your day? Hope you all are very good. Yes, children. Let us know a funny thing, children. Can you touch your elbow with your tongue? Can anybody can touch your elbow with tongue? Just try it once. After going home, you can practice it. Okay. Children, do you know the difference between the male and female? Yes. In all the animals also there will be a male and female. In dogs, cats, cows, buffaloes, tigers, etc. So there will be a male and also a female. Where do we get milk from, children? As we all know that from grocery stores. But still we get milk from buffaloes, cows and also goat. So can we get milk from bull, that is a male buffalo? No, we can't get milk from bull. We can only get milk from females. Yes. Let us start the story, children. Birbal's witty daughter. Once Emperor Akbar fell ill. The doctor was calling. Since the doctor did not like Birbal, one of the Akbar's 9 germs, he planned to teach Birbal a lesson, and accordingly he thought for the king's remedy. Soon the doctor felt the pulse of the emperor in order to diagnose him. He said to Akbar, "Your Majesty, I have a medicine that will heal you, but you must take it with bull's milk." Akbar was taken aback and asked, "Where will I get bull's milk?" Doctor replied, "Please ask Birbal to arrange it for you," said the cunning doctor. Birbal was puzzled when he came to know about it, but somehow he overcame that state of mind and realized that it was the trick of the doctor to leave him in the lurch. See, children, we all know that Akbar is a great emperor, and one day he fell ill. So the doctor came and he advised him that to heal from that illness you have to take the medicine along with bull's milk. Heal means to become healthy again, and cure, that means to become well. So he suggested him to take the medicine along with the bull's milk, and the emperor asked where can he get the bull's milk. Then the doctor suggested Birbal to arrange it for, and he asked Birbal to get the bull's milk. Birbal a bit confused, and he came to know that it is the trick of the doctor. Why the doctor told like that? Because he did not like Birbal. Out of the 9 germs in Akbar's kingdom, he doesn't like Birbal. So he played the trick. Birbal came back home grim and gloomy. Being asked by his daughter, he described to her the whole matter. As soon as she listened to her father, she got ready to carry out this responsibility. At midnight, when all the people of the town were fast asleep, Birbal's daughter took a pile of clothes and reached the river to place just below Akbar's bedroom window. She began to wash the clothes by making peculiar sound, twag, splash, twag. Akbar couldn't sleep, scolding his guard and sent him to find out the person making so much noise in the night. The guard reached the spot. However, to his surprise, he saw that a lady was washing clothes. The guard asked her sternly, "Who are you?" The lady replied, "I am my father's daughter." The guard impatiently, "Who is your father?" She said, "He is my mother's husband." Being impatient and irritated, the guard thought he would hardly collect any information from her this way. So he told her to appear before the emperor. So what happened, children? As the Birbal known the trick of the doctor, he went with grim and gloomy. He went to home grim and gloomy, and he explained the thing which happened in the kingdom to his daughter. So she also known that it was a trick of the doctor, and she took the responsibility. So what she is doing? She started washing clothes at midnight. Where she is washing? She is washing near the Akbar's bedroom, so that he can easily listen the peculiar sound. As the Akbar listened the peculiar sound, he sent one of the guards to see where the sound is coming from. So the guard went to the girl, and he saw that a lady was washing her clothes. As the emperor asked the guard to go and see who is making that sound, the guard went and he saw a lady, and he asked the lady why she is doing this, and also he asked who is that and why she is doing that. So she replied that I am the daughter of my father, and again the guard asked who is your father, and also she nicely answered that he is the husband of my mother, but she doesn't answer straight away to the guard. So the irritated guard took her to the emperor. Let us see the story. When the girl appeared before the emperor, Akbar asked, "Why were you washing clothes in the middle of the night?" "Your Majesty, I beg your pardon because I could not help it. I needed clean clothes for my father who had given birth to a baby," she said. Akbar was in utter astonishment. The girl replied, "Your Majesty, nothing is impossible these days. If a bull can give milk, why can't a man can give birth to a baby?" As soon as Akbar heard this explanation, he instantly guessed who she was. Such a clever and witty girl could only be the Birbal's daughter. He laughed and said, "You won. Now you go home and inform your father that I accept my defeat." She bowed her head to the emperor and happily left for home. So children, what she is telling? She is washing the clothes at midnight because she need a clean clothes for her father. Why? Because she is telling that her father delivered a baby. That means given birth to a baby. Then as soon as by listening this explanation, Akbar came to know that who she is. It is Birbal's daughter, and he told that it is impossible. But the girl replied, "Anything is possible. How can a bull can give a milk?" So in this way he came to understand that a bull can't give the milk. So she won. As Akbar told that she won the defeat. As Akbar asked Birbal to bring the bull's milk, now she answered nicely that a boy can't give a birth to a baby. In same way, a bull can't give the milk. So he accepted the defeat and asked the Birbal to come to his kingdom again. So such a witty means clever children. Birbal's witty daughter itself tells us that she is very clever and intelligent girl, and nicely answered to the king's question, and also nicely answered to the trick of the doctor. Thank you. See the question answers. Let us see the question answers, children. Who did not like Birbal? Doctor. What did Akbar ask Birbal to bring? To bring bull's milk. What was Birbal's daughter doing on the river side that night? She is washing clothes by making peculiar sound near the window of Akbar's. Thank you.